Welcome to Herion Classes, dear friends. Today we are going to discuss about the reading skill. How to improve the reading skill among the students. So, in my class, I done some experiences and I will tell you. So, in the class, we should give one paragraph for the whole class, and we select the one paragraph and we should give the one paragraph for the whole class. And after giving the paragraph and with the teachers, we should give some instruction to the students. What the instructions means, I will follow the model reading. So many readings are there, means here I have collected, means types of readings are there. One is modern reading is there, loud reading is there, silent reading is there, and intensive reading, extensive reading, and supplementary reading will be there. And we the teachers, we should follow the modern reading in front of the class. And if we read the model reading with a correct pronunciation, with the best pronunciation in front of the students, and after the teacher's reading, the teacher should give 5 minutes to the students to silent reading. And after silent reading, the teacher should choose the best in the class, means best students in the class, and the teacher should give the chance to the best student to read aloud in the class. And after his reading, here in the reading activities pages are there, means pre-reading, means in pre-reading the teacher should give some instructions to the students, and then while reading, and the teacher should give the instructions what the student should do in the while reading activities, means the teacher should tell to the students to take your pencil, and while he made mistake, while he make mistake, while he make mistakes, you should underline the words. And after post reading, so three readings are there: pre reading, and while reading, and post reading. What we should do in the post reading? So we, which words we underline and which mistakes he made, and we the teachers, we should explain about the pronunciation, about the spellings, and what he made mistakes. Suppose almond, ALMOND, the student should pronounce what almond, no, almond, almond. So farmer, if the students pronounce farmer, no, farmer. So physiology, we should the teacher, we the teachers, we should tell to the students psychology, not physiology. So ginger. So some students pronounce as a ginger. No. At that time, we should the teachers, we should guide to the students. So kernel spelling is there. COLONEL. We should pronounce kernel. And grand is there. GRAND. So if occur in the paragraph, we should confirm, means we should clarify the doubts of the students. And some students very in a what you mean confused manner, how we pronounce k, and how when we pronounce k and when we pronounce s to the c letter. And we the teachers, we should tell when the C has the in front of the letters like A, O, U, L, R. At that time, we should pronounce as a k. So we will give the examples. CAT, cat, means C in front of the letter is A, and COW, AOULR, COW, cow, and CUT, cut, CLOUD, cloud, CRY, crack. So, and when the has the in front of the letters like E and I, E cinema is there, and CI means city is there. So, if we give the clarification to the students, uh, the students would automatically understand, and how we increase the capacity of the reading skill among the students means we should give the force skill means phrasing is there. Suppose the pen is on the table. So the student should know the phrase on the table. So phrasing is there and skimming, and the students should get the summary what he read. Skimming is there, and then scanning is there. The student should get the observation neatly of the paragraph. Scanning is there, and the keyword reading is there. So in this way, we should develop the reading skill among the students. And what are the objectives of the reading skill? Objectives I have collected here means one, to enable to understand the text. We should to enable the student to understand the text. One is the objective, and second one to enable to read aloud. And then third, to enable to read with correct pronunciation. To enable to read with correct pronunciation. Third objective, and fourth, to enable the students to read silently. And fifth one, to enable to read at varying speed. In various speed, he should be able to read the paragraphs. So these are the objectives of them. So dear friends, if we take the more practice, more drill in our class, and if we go on giving the chances to the best students, better students, and good students. In this way, one by one, if we take reading skill in the classroom, the automatically students should develop their reading skill, I hope. And I want to tell you the importance of the reading skill. What is the importance? Means it is a source of information and get the knowledge. This is the one importance, and second importance is there. It is a source of learning and taking the education. And then number 3, enhance the vocabulary skill, means vocabulary. And fourth one, helps in developing writing, listening, and speaking skill among the students. By the reading, we enhance the writing skill, listening skill, and speaking skill among the students. And then fifth one, it develops mind imagination. And the last one, it develops the creativity, the creative imagination among the students. So dear friends, in this way, I hope if we take the reading skill in the classroom, the students will automatically they improve their reading skill. So I hope you understood means what I am going to tell you. So dear friends, if like our video, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. And if you have any comments, please comment on our YouTube channel. And if you like our video, please share to your friends. And dear friends, if you open YouTube and if you type my name as Basaya Hireman Classes, and you will see more videos of mine. And if you subscribe our videos, and it will be very helpful to us and students. And I stop here. Thank you very much.